Amy and Nikki's nature adventure. There's a shack. I don't think that's nature. But this is nature.
There's a shack. That's not nature.
But this is nature.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
And look, there's a little spot for us to jump in.
Let's do it.
No.
Oh, so pretty.
Yes. And oh, if you can get a picture through these.
Oh, hold on. They're gonna witness me magic.
I'm gonna back up so we can get the full shot of this.
I don't want. Can you hold that so I don't sit on it? Because you know I will.
She's doing the artsy photos. Don't fall in.
I'm going to.
Just making sure. Can you imagine when these bloom? How fucking gorgeous this area is gonna be.
I can't actually tell what I'm taking a picture of because it's so really bright. Jeans are too tight for this.
Alright. Amy and Nikki's nature adventure.
Can I see them?
Yes. Alright.
You're so close.
Amy and Nikki's nature adventure.
That's going in the fog.
Oh yeah.
4. Nope. 44. Nope. 310. Damn it.
Amy and Nikki's nature adventure.
Show them the entrance that we had to walk through for that. Like, show them country
Oh, yeah. This is what we entered. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that's what we did. Amy and Nikki's nature adventure. Yeah. Are there any other little paths down here? Is that a path or is that just brambles?
I think that's just brambles.
Well, that was a short nature adventure. Fritos!
There was a bug on your back that I'm trying to get off.
Fritos!
And you turned.
Alright guys, we are continuing our adventure. And simply for shits and giggles, I am going to walk through the frame even though there's a bush on the other side. Nikki's gonna be normal and go through the path. I'm going to read the sign and walk through the thing. Beware, water levels high. Cobble Mountain Reservoir releasing water.
Oh, that's probably where the water is right now.
Okay. I'm assuming there's gonna be a sign there at some point. And bush.
For this hike, we have the artsy camera,
And
aka my phone, and then the random time-lapse camera.
Yep.
Because it doesn't do shit, and all the cameras are gonna do.
Mm-hmm.
All the sections are gonna do it.
This is what she does for content. I'll have her put a clip of this in so you guys can see what she's doing. Now she's coming to sit with me on the rock. This rock is fucking gorgeous. Just look at this. This is the view that I have right now.
It's so gorgeous.
I love this.
Scoot your butt.
I want to live here.
I didn't want to sit in your string. Or fall. And the fact that I'm holding my phone like that.
There we go.
Where's that camera?
You're covered in dust. I love this.
I'm like slightly terrified that I'm just gonna fall that way.
See, this rock is slightly slanted, so I feel like I'm gonna fall there.
Yeah. Like it's pointed up, so I feel like I'm gonna fall down. And my ass is like 3 times the size of yours.
I was going for like an artsy photo and you just look like pained.
I'm trying to put the tripod in the thing. Okay. This is better. I feel slightly safer.
This is why we can't go places.
Bye, hitchhiker.
Ready? Just put your other foot over here so we can get the shot of. Oh, I love it. That's actually really cute.
Oh, it's like, where's my phone? Literally in my hand.
I just had a British accent. That was more of a southern accent.
Literally is British though.
But you drawled it.
Guys, we got lost in the woods at some random place. Why is everything going black and white on the camera? The camera's going black and white. We don't really know where we are, but every time we step it sinks. So much for white Converse. But we found a bridge, so now we're going to it. So we figured at least there'd be a path there. I reached 8,000 steps. We found a bridge. I don't know. This might be the green trail. Or that might mean go ahead. All of this water is really making me have to pee. Let's go away from the water. This is. She's trying to smack me.
I know where we're going.
It's so pretty.
I've never been in before.
It doesn't look pretty on the camera because the camera doesn't do shit and just overexposes everything, so it looks kind of blah. But trust me, it looks pretty. If you want to see how pretty it really is, go to my Instagram because there will be artsy pictures over there. Oh, squirrel! I see the squirrel from here. Right out of here. What'd you say?
it's away. It tells them they're lost and they're never gonna do it.
See, this looks pretty. Oh my god, it's one of those pictures that if you flip it around, it looks like the sky.
Bridge!
Bridge!
We come full circle.
Yes! We found where we got lost.
See, we got distracted by the bridge over there.
Yeah, we went over a plywood bridge instead of following the path.
M stands for moron.
M stands for more paths.
50 M. 50 morons.
50 miles! We've walked 50 miles! I'm like recording it going out as we walk over it.